पहले क्यों ना मिले.
I know that you drink a lot of water. I'm sure I've seen you. अभी शूट पे भी आपके वो bottles आ रहे थे और फिर मैंने I was showing off that I have a Milton one, because they gave me the
yeah,
sipper
it's
and all
such a
that.
nice
You don't have to. It's very easy to
Hydrate,
sip.
hydrate.
Yeah. कितना पानी पी लेती हो आप दिन में?
Not enough for sure.
But you
जितना
still
पीना
sound
चाहिए.
amazing. Like आपकी आवाज on the microphone or even just like that, it just sounds like you drink a lot of water. But you don't drink that much?
कोशिश तो जारी है. दे दो अब ये एक ऐसा कुछ.
आ रहा है. उसके लिए एक Milton rapid fire भी करते हैं. Your nightstand will have a Milton bottle with hot water or cold water?
Hot.
Of course, you like warm water.
हाँ, एक्चुअली मुझे वो हॉट वाटर निकाल के फिर उसमें कैमोमाइल टी बैग एंड देन इट्स लाइक दैट.
So you like the flask kind of.
Yeah, better for me.
One song that changed your life. I know maybe which one it is, but I would like to hear it from you.
My life changed with Berry
Very
Priya.
I was going to say.
Because that got me to the
Of course.
forefront, and it's such a big song.
It's a beautiful composition.
Yeah.
What's the most emotional moment you've had in a recording studio? I know there have been several, but one.
I usually try to not get emotionally sucked into the song's emotion. But there have been times when you have to control yourself. If you are like too overwhelmed with the story,
Melody.
the melody, what the context of the song is. So I've broken down. I've taken a minute to come back to. वो बहुत rarely होता है. I try
बता
to
सकती हो कौन सा गाना है?
मराठी गाना गा रही थी. एक बहुत अच्छा गाना बना है. वो गाने का जो सिचुएशन है was about that it is मतलब शमशान है ना. अब ऐसे सिचुएशन पे गाने पहले तो बनते नहीं हैं और बहुत फिलोसफिकली डीप गाना है. और बस बट पॉइंट वाज जिस बंदे ने गाना बनाया, जिस लड़के ने गाना बनाया, ही रिसेंटली लॉस्ट हिज फादर एंड इट वाज सो फ्रेश इन हिज माइंड. But he was not breaking down. But I could feel that it must have been so tough for him to create a song on that situation. And the song had so much emotion. Like that one. So I felt a little... I went to the washroom. And I didn't want to make him uncomfortable or emotional. So I cracked jokes. I made everyone comfortable to not get consumed in the emotion. Sometimes very hard. कि अगर आप बहुत emotional हो गए तो गाना ही नहीं गा पाओगे. फिर एक डिवोशनल गाने में भी ऐसा हुआ था मुझे कि इट वाज अबाउट यशोदा और कृष्णा. तो अब मुझे तो यशोदा कृष्णा में भी अपना बेटा दिखता है.
Of course.
तो उसकी जो स्टोरी लाइन थी उसमें जब कृष्णा बड़ा हो जाता है एंड ही लीव्स, बट माँ तो उसको अपने बच्चे जैसे ही देख रही है. सो वो ऐसे कुछ मोमेंट्स हुए हैं जहाँ पे आई गेट अ लिटिल कंज्यूम्ड. इट्स मोर फ्रॉम empathy towards the person.
Of course, yeah.
And
but it's
and the
heartwarming.
melody also.
Heartwarming. Thank you for sharing. One regional language you loved singing, but found challenging. I know.
Challenging.
I know
There are
which.
too many of them. Yeah. Which one?
Malayalam.
Malayalam में तो हमेशा.
It's a tough one.
It's always tough. Always tough.
Any secret ritual before you get on stage?
I don't have rituals. I think the whole world knows. But
नहीं मतलब anything like you do, like it could be a riyaz, it could be a
no.
it could be a
मुझे
vocal
तो कुछ,
trick.
I like to not do rituals because it makes the whole moment too important. If you make everything too important, then you get a little more nervous.
Good one.
So
just keep it easy and free.
be easy. Just be in the same flow as you were in the backstage. ऐसे ही चले जाओ stage पे. Only I like 5 minutes of silence if I can get one. वो मुश्किल होता है. लास्ट मिनट तक कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता है. पर वो 5 मिनट की शांति थोड़ा मन को फोकस कर देता है. सो दैट्स ऑल आई नीड.
What would the title of your autobiography be, Shreya, if there was one?
ऑटोबायोग्राफी तो मतलब मुझे लिखना पड़ेगा. मैं नहीं लिखने वाली.
अच्छा ठीक है.
मैं नहीं लिखूंगी.
Bad question.
No. क्या करें? That is too tough to come up. जब आएगा टाइम, अगर आया, एक तो I can't write anymore. Chat GPT.
And we have some lovely goodies from Milton.
Yay.